Good morning, students. How are you? I know you will be fine at your home and staying safe at your home. As we all know, due to COVID 19, we are unable to come to the school. So, let's start studying online. So, students, look at the picture. This is your new book, science book. Have a look at the contents of the book. See, now our first chapter is sources of food. Now, as we all know, we need some energy to do work, as all the machines require energy to do work, like cars or automobiles require diesel and petrol to run, and similarly electric trains required electric energy to run. In the same way, our human body also required energy to run and work. So where do we get this energy? We get this energy from food we eat. Food provide us energy to work and play, nutrients for growth of our body, nutrients for maintenance and repair of the body cells, protection from disease to keep us fit and healthy. दैट मीन्स हमें फूड से क्या क्या मिलता है, हमें एनर्जी देता है फूड खेलने के लिए और काम करने के लिए, हमारी ग्रोथ करने के लिए न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलते हैं, और हमारे जो सेल्स की टिश्यूज़ ख़राब हो जाते हैं उनको रिपेयर करने के लिए न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलते हैं, एंड अपनी हमें डिसीज़ से फाइट करने के लिए प्रोटेक्शन करने की भी एनर्जी कहाँ से मिलती है, फूड से मिलती है. नाउ we eat different varieties of food, like we eat sambar, dosa, idli, chapati, roti. These are all varieties of food. Now, where the raw materials needed to prepare food items or ingredients, that means जो कच्चे प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं जो खाना बनाने के लिए चाहिए होते हैं, वो उसको क्या कहते हैं हम लोग, इंग्रेडिएंट्स कहते हैं. ठीक है. Now we move to our main topic, that is sources of food. So what is source of food? Can anyone tell me? The place or the thing through which we get our food is called source of food. Think the two main sources of food are plants and animals. Now food from plants. Plants are called producers of food. Why? Because they can prepare their own food with the help of carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll. They prepare more food than the actually required. That means उनको जितना चाहिए होता है फूड वो उससे ज़्यादा बनाते हैं, और वो जो ज़्यादा फूड होता है वो किसी पार्ट में, अपनी बॉडी पार्ट में स्टोर कर लेते हैं, जो कि हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं और उसे हम खाते हैं. ठीक है. द पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट विच कैन बी ईटन आर कॉल्ड एडिबल पार्ट्स. जो प्लांट्स के पार्ट हम खा सकते हैं उनको एडिबल पार्ट्स कहते हैं प्लांट के. नाउ लुक एट द टेबल 1.3. इन दिस टेबल edible parts of the plants are given and plants are given. Now in carrot, turnip, radish, sweet and potato we eat roots. That means हम उनकी जड़ें खाते हैं. Sugarcane, onion, ginger, potato we eat stems. And green leafy vegetables like spinach, cabbage we eat their leaves. And in vegetables like cauliflower, banana flower we eat their flowers. And from fruits like apple, guava, mango, grapes, etc., watermelon and many more. Seeds कौन सी, cumin seed, kidney bean, that is rajma, or many more seeds we eat. Nuts, cashew nuts, dry foods that are called nuts. Now other source of food is from animals. What we get from animals? We get from animals we get milk, eggs, honey and so on. Milk from cows and buffaloes and goats we get milk, and eggs we get from hens, turkey, ducks and many more. Eggs. Now meat, we get get meat from hens, ducks, goats and fish. And from honeybees we get honey. Now द रियरिंग ऑफ हनी बीज ऑन लार्ज स्केल इज कॉल्ड एपीकल्चर, मतलब बड़े लार्ज स्केल पे हनी बीज को पालना, उसको हम एपीकल्चर बोलते हैं। वो ऐसा क्यों किया जाता है? क्योंकि उनसे हनी मिल सके। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वी conclude here and you have to come do the assignment related to this topic I have assigned you.